As the conversation on racial equality continues across the United States, it has also found its place in Troy over a steaming cup of joe. Thursday morning, Troy University hosted a unity prayer breakfast with leaders from the school and the community.
We need to understand each other, and I think through conversation we can achieve that.
The breakfast consisted of prayer and speakers sharing their personal experiences of being black in America in hopes of protecting the next generation.
My life as a mother, as a black female, professional, is forever changed. I should not, in 2020, I should not have to have this conversation with my daughter.
It was Board of Trustees member Lamar Higgins who suggested hosting the event, saying the killing of George Floyd could have been anyone, including himself.
When I saw George Floyd screaming for his life, saying I couldn't breathe, it just hurt my heart, and I just thought that it really could have been me, and it wasn't a far stretch.
Now, these early morning conversations about race relations followed the school's decision to fire its campus police chief after some Facebook comments that the university found inflammatory. And today, speakers hit on how the school plans to set its sights forward.
Well, I think it's through unity that we will see great change, and we need to see change. It needs to begin in our hearts. I'm really encouraged by the initial response to this, but it won't stop here. It'll continue.